Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can buy from Wegobuy. So Wegobuy is a shopping agent that essentially makes it easier for you to buy with from pages such as Taobao or Weidian or stuff like that. So it's like Panda Buy. So how this page works is essentially you will go onto Reddit or to spreadsheets and you will look for links for products that are listed on Taobao. Now once you have found a product that you like and that you want to buy, you will simply copy that link and paste it here into this search bar, and once you paste the link you will click on buy from me. Now once we do this, as you can see, the product will open, and here you will simply, like on any other shopping site, you will choose your size, you will choose your color, quantity, however you want to do it. And once you do this, you either go to add to cart or you press buy now. Now once you buy this product, this product will not be shipped straight to you. Now what happens is the product is basically bought by a agent from Wegobuy, and the product is being shipped to the warehouse of Wegobuy. Now once this product has been shipped to the warehouse, you will go on to my warehouse. Now once you open my warehouse, I currently don't have any items, but if you have purchased one, it will be here. Now in the warehouse, Wegobuy will provide you with quality control pictures. So essentially they will give you an opportunity to look at the product before you pay for it. Now if you don't want to buy it, if you do it in the first 7 days, the product should be returned. If you do want to buy it, you then from the warehouse the product will be shipped to you. So yeah, this is the entire process of how you buy from Wegobuy. I hope that this video is helpful to you, and thank you for listening.